Hi there. So a few weeks ago, I made this Easter basket for my daughter, and it's not quite Easter yet. And as I was filling it, I was thinking, oh, I'd like to bling it up a little bit for her. So I thought perhaps a good idea would be to take some yarn that I had on hand and maybe add some trim along the upper edge. I thought that might look really cute, and she's sort of a fancy girl, so maybe she'd appreciate that. To do that, what you need to use is your cording foot, and this is the cording foot that comes in our 32-piece set, and you can see it's got three little holes, I guess you could call it for lack of a better term. Three little holes there. Your cords fit under this little spring thing here, and then they go underneath the foot. That just snaps right onto your machine. So I've cut myself some lengths. I'm going to snap it onto my machine, and let's get going. So I've put my cording foot on my machine, and now I'm going to add the cording. I'm going to start by bringing it under the foot part and then through those little channels. And I want my cording to twist up a little, so I'm gonna allow it to just do that. However, you can keep your cords nice and even if you like as well. All right, and then I am going to put my project under. All right, so my project is in place. I've got my cords going through the channels and under the foot. I have set my machine to a zigzag, and I'm actually going to use the 3-step zigzag, and then we will get going. And you can see that that adds a decorative trim to the bag. It's a little uneven, but that's okay. She's going to be good with that. All right, so there you have it. That's how you use the cording foot. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.